Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x equals x minus 9 times x squared minus x minus 20, which of the following describes the zeros of p. A is p has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. B, p has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C, p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. And D is given as p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. So when we are solving this type of questions, we're going to focus on the factors. There are 2 factors given, so to find its zeros, we're going to make them equal to 0 and solve for x. So x minus 9 equals 0, and this is also x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. X equals 9. And here, if you will factor this out, this is x and x. And when you multiply what numbers, you get 20, 4 and 5. And one of them has to be negative. When you multiply, you just get negative 20, but when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 1. So 5 is negative, this one is positive. So this becomes x plus 4 times x minus 5 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0. Take away 4 from both sides. X equals negative 4. And from this, you will get x equals 5. So we have found that negative 4, 5, and 9. There are 3 distinct real zeros of this polynomial function. So the correct answer is choice B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.